American dream is the belief that the freedoms of this country bring us together and give us all individually the opportunity to achieve our biggest goals and aspirations. Hi, my name is 𝐷𝐄𝐋𝐿, the creator and founder of The American Dream, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture that's been nominated for an Emmy. We bring you a show of real stories in real neighborhoods with real experts. Today, I'm excited to announce our elite expert and new host in your market. He's a master of his craft, and he has built his life around turning that dream into reality. Follow along as he takes you on a tour of real estate, lifestyle, culture that he knows best and shows us why this city is the perfect place for you to build your American dream.